Welcome to More Wish Cuisine, my Desi kitchen with the Western touch. Today I'm sharing the recipe of cauliflower and potatoes, Aaloo Gobi. So combination of cauliflower florets with the potatoes added or Desi spices will turn into a hit vegetarian dish in your house. So for this recipe, you need one head of cauliflower. I just cut into little florets. Then in spices, we need button red chilies, black mustard seeds, cumin seeds, salt, turmeric powder, and coriander powder. And of course, potatoes cut into little cubes. So let's start cooking. First, heat the oil. I'll take like 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add black mustard seeds, a teaspoon rai dana, and gol lal mirch, like 5 to 6 according to your taste buds, the red whole chilies, and just start mixing and wait until the rice start to sputter. So as soon as it starts sputtering, I will add cumin seeds, zira, a tablespoon. I like more zira, so I'll always use the heaped teaspoon or tablespoon. So just mix it very well, and then right away add the cauliflower. Now we have to mix very well, do upside down. Just make sure that, because now all the spices are heating up, the heat is very high, so just wanted to make sure that it will not burn. So I'll add a little water, a tablespoon or 2. Then mix, up down, until you started seeing the yellowish color on the cauliflowers. Means it started looking fried to you. So when you started to see this color on the cauliflower, so now our next ingredient is of course potatoes. Add the potatoes, mix until all the spices coat potatoes. Everything is very well combined. And now the remaining spices: salt, coriander powder, and turmeric powder. Mix well, and if you feel like, you can add a little, very little water at that time, but I don't think so we need it. So now just cover the pot and wait until everything is fully tender, the way that you like it, and it's done. That's the last step we need. So here you go. Sprinkle some chopped cilantro on top of it. Enjoy it with the boiled rice or with the chapati, roti, or whatever bread you like to have it. You can just make a sandwich out of it. Like, it's totally up to you. I'm sure you will love it. You will not regret trying it, and you will make again and again. So if you guys have any questions, just write it down. I will really love to help you guys out. If you want any other recipe you want to try, just leave a comment down below and let me know how it turned out in your house. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and updates. Like me on Facebook or follow me on Instagram.